Dear student, good morning. Today I am here with the brief summary of the story The Chameleon. The story has been taken from book of class 6. The writer of the story is Anton Chekhov. He was a Russian playwright and short story writer. He is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. Since he is a Russian writer, his stories deals with Russians scenario, and the name of the character of the story is also sound typical as Russian names. Before I begin with the summary, let me tell you about the title. The title of the story is Chameleon. As you know, chameleon are a species that have the ability to change the color. In this story, attitude of the police superintendent Ochumailov is compared with chameleon. He also changes his attitudes depending on each situation, just like a chameleon. Now let me introduce character to you. The first character of the story is Ochumailov, who is the police superintendent, followed by Adrian the policeman, Ryukin the goldsmith, Mitri Mitrich the woodcutter, then General Zhigalov, who is the famous personality. He is not physically present in the story, but the story revolves around him. Last one is Prohor, the general cook. So these are the character of the story. Now let me give you summary. The story opens with Ochumailov, the police superintendent, is walking through a market square and all of a sudden the sound of a voice comes to his ears. After following the voice, he discovers that it is Ryukin, who is goldsmith, who has come by the lumber yard to pick up wood. Ryukin is so angry and Ryukin claims to have been beaten by a stray dog and demands compensation. Ochumailov immediately agrees with the complaint and pronouncing it's time to something needs to be done about gentlemen who are not willing to obey the regulations. But when someone in the crowd who has come to see what is going on suggests that the dog is the general's, Ochumailov changes his attitude, now blaming Ryukin for the incident. Another onlooker then tells Ochumailov that the dog is in fact not the general's, and again Ochumailov changes his attitude and claiming that the general's dogs are expensive and this is goodness knows what, no coat, no shape and a low creature. Ochumailov goes on changing his mind every time someone suggests something different about the incident, and whole scenario going to be interesting and comic. At the end of the story, it's revealed that the dog belongs to the general's brother. Being friend with the general, the inspector returned the dog back to the owner's cook. That's how the story comes to end. Now guys, tell me what according to you is the message of the story. Well, I will tell you. The message of the story. The message of the story is fairly easy to deduce. People change their behavior to suit their own needs regardless of how it affects others. When you really think about it, this is a sad lesson to learn, and it shows a deep truth about human behavior in detailed setting.